Welcome students. Here we are discussing an interesting and important question from the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Functions. Here question is, find the principal value of first cot inverse of -1, second tan inverse of -√3 and third sec inverse of -2/√3, fourth is cosec inverse of -2. Okay, so let us see the solution here. First question is cot inverse of -1. First of all, we should take note what is the principal value branch of cot inverse of -1, because value of cot inverse of -1 should lie in that principal value branch only. So here principal value branch principal value branch of cot inverse x is open interval 0 to pi. So this value must lie in this interval 0 to pi, principal value branch. Okay. So first of all, we'll suppose that cot inverse of -1 is equal to theta. So let cot inverse of -1 is equal to theta, and therefore cot of theta is equal to -1. -1 can also be written as minus of cot pi by 4, and minus cot pi by 4 is cot of pi minus pi by 4. Clear? So you know the formula, cot pi minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, because angle is lying in the second quadrant and second quadrant is cot of negative. So we can write cot pi by 4 is equal to cot of pi minus pi by 4, and this is equal to, by simplifying it, this is cot of 3 pi by 4. So when we compare this relation, we are getting theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. So therefore theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. You check that this value must lie in this interval of principal value branch 0 to pi, which is correct. So this is the answer here. Now second is tan inverse of -√3. Principal value branch of tan inverse x is equal to open interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So answer must lie in this interval. Okay, so here also let us suppose that tan inverse of -√3 is equal to theta, and therefore tan of theta is equal to -√3. So this is minus of √3 is tan pi by 3 minus tan pi by 3. This can also be written as this is equal to tan of minus pi by 3. So by comparing, we are getting theta is equal to minus pi by 3. This is the answer. Therefore theta is equal to minus pi by 3. This is the answer. Now we check that value of theta must lie in this interval minus pi by 3 is lying here. Correct? So this is the correct answer. And next question, third, sec inverse of -2/√3. Sec inverse of -2/√3. What is the principal value branch? Principal value branch of sec inverse of -2/√3 is equal to 0 to pi minus element pi by 2. Correct? So let us take here sec inverse of -2/√3 is equal to theta, and therefore sec theta is equal to -2/√3. and this is equal to minus of, in terms of sec, this is pi by 6. So sec pi by 6, correct? And minus sec pi by 6 can be written as sec of pi minus pi by 6. This is equal to sec of 5 pi by 6. So if we write theta is equal to 5 pi by 6, we must check this interval. So 5 pi by 6 will lie in this interval here. So therefore theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. This is the answer. This is the principal value of sec inverse minus 2 by root 3. And the last, fourth is cosec inverse of 2. This is cosec inverse of 2, correct? So principal value of cosec inverse x, this is equal to closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus element 0, correct? Now let us suppose cosec inverse of 2 is equal to theta, and therefore cosec of theta, this is equal to 2, and this is equal to cosec of 30 degree 2, isn't it? 30 degree means pi by 6. So compare it, theta is equal to pi by 6. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 6. This is the answer. You see pi by 6 is lying in this interval, principal value branch. So this is the principal value of cosec inverse of 2, correct? So solutions are very simple, very interesting, but questions are very important. I hope you are following these solutions, understanding it. So we have to discuss some more questions. However, we have given this type of questions in several sorts. So please go through sorts also. We will get a lot of benefit from it. And remain in touch with these videos. We will see more questions. And please subscribe this channel with your friends also. And if you are getting benefit of it, you are enjoying it, your likes are most welcome. Wish you all the best.